Welcome to the guideline of the Video Light. Take out the Video Light from the bag, along with its batteries. The YN600L version needs 2 batteries and the YN300L version needs only 1. Mount the batteries to the back of the Video Light. To remove the battery, remember to first press the button at the side, and you could remove the battery easily. You can also mount the Video Light to a light tripod. Or, alternatively, you could mount it to the Gorilla tripod for desktop lighting projects. To turn it on, first expand the 4 light reflectors. Then, press the bottom right button once, and the light will turn on. To control the brightness, spin the bottom right button clockwise and the brightness will be turned up. Spin it anti-clockwise and the brightness will be turned down. The C/Fine button determines the tuning mode. When the C/Fine light turns on, you are in fine-tuning mode and the luminance will be adjusted with 1%. When the C/Fine light is off, you are in coarse tuning mode and the luminance will be adjusted with 10% as an adjusting grade. The middle button tests the current battery capacity. Pressing it shows the percentage of the battery. P9 means 90% and P1 means 10%. We sometimes need to adjust the color temperature of the lighting. The 5000K and 3200K switch could do that. When the 5000K light is on, you will be adjusting the brightness of the colder light. When the 3200K light is on, you will be adjusting the brightness of the warmer light. You should test the output when filming. You can also change the color of the lighting by applying an external filter. For the filter plate, we could just slide it in the side of the Video Light. Different colors give a different lighting atmosphere to your project. Or, you could use the plastic filters, which gives more variabilities. You need to use binder clips to fix it to the Video Light. You can also combine 2 plastic filters together to create more effects. For an ideal lighting, you need 2 to 3 light sources. The main light source is called the key light. Adjust the brightness of your key light to light up your main subject. You could direct the key light facing towards your subject, which will light up your subject pretty well. But such flat lighting lacks dimension and is commonly seen in commercials and other light-hearted settings. You could move the key light 45 degrees to the side of the camera. This creates shadow on the face of your subject, making it more three-dimensional. To make it more dramatic, you could move the key light to the side, creating even more contrast on your subject. Now our subject looks a bit too warm. So, we could adjust the color temperature of our Video Light to make it colder. You may also adjust the angle of the lighting towards your subject to test the difference of the drop shadows. Now we have our key light. Another light source is the fill light, which lightens the shadow. We could use a light reflector as our fill light, and place it on the opposite side of our key light. We need to adjust the angle and position to see how much shadow we want to reduce. Or, we could use a dimmer light as our fill light. Adjust the angle and brightness to test the optimal result. Moreover, we may need a rim light for lighting up the shoulder, head or back of our subject. The light should be placed a bit higher for its purpose. And a rim light separates your subject from the background. Lastly, you are recommended to experiment with different light settings and test the results. And that's the guide to the video light. Thank you.